3, 2, 1.
What movie does this phrase come from? You are part of a rebel alliance, and a traitor, take her away. The answer is C, Star Wars. Who directed the 1991 film The Silence of the Lambs? The answer is D, Jonathan Demme. What was the minimum number of countries necessary to form parties? The answer is A, 20. What factor largely determines the distinguishing features of terrestrial biomass? The answer is C, climate. To cook out blood and impurities from beef, how would you do this? The answer is A, blanch it on the stove for 20 minutes. A woman is brushing her teeth in a bathroom. What happens next? The answer is A, is filming her behind her. What does Terrence yell as he is kicking Ray out of his apartment in the film Field of Dreams? The answer is D, peace, love, dope. Two men are standing on an outdoor court. They are engaged in break dancing. What happens next? The answer is A, do all their moves and spins in unison. In how many languages were students in institutions of higher education being educated in 1974? The answer is B, 47. Atoms of 4 elements are examined: carbon, nitrogen, neon, and sulfur. Atoms of which element would have the strongest magnetic moment? The answer is B, nitrogen. What actress won an Academy Award for her portrayal of British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher in the movie The Iron Lady? The answer is B, Meryl Streep. What might be a fact about this person's situation? The answer is A, they are playing a racing video game. What year did Intel come under fire from the Taiwanese Consumer Protection Commission? The answer is B, 2009. What part of the eye controls the size of the pupil? The answer is B, iris. What is the most likely reason they chose to eat where they did? The answer is D, they wanted to eat fast. What best describes the man's field of occupation? The answer is B, military. What is the number of wave cycles that pass a specified point in space in a specified amount of time? The answer is A, frequency. How many years are commemorated by a sesquicentennial? The answer is B, 150. To cover up wood you don't want painted when painting the rest of it, how would you do this? The answer is A, use masking tape to block off sections. Black Chronicle is the translation of the title of a soap opera from which country? The answer is D. Bosnia and Herzegovina. A female chef in white uniform shows a stack of baking pans in a large kitchen, presenting them the pans. What happens next? The answer is D. Are filled with pastries and loaded into the oven. During which year did the pre-decimal halfpenny coin cease to be legal tender in the UK? The answer is A. 1969. In which year did this hotel and casino, located nearer to Gold Mountain Casino than any other casinos, open? The answer is D. 2004. What 1957 movie about a Venusian invader called Ymir had special effects done by legend Ray Harryhausen? The answer is C. 20 Million Miles to Earth. Allow paint roller to absorb more paint. How would you do this? The answer is A. Soak roller with warm water before using. When did universal suffrage begin? The answer is C. 1917. What property is a measure of the average kinetic energy of molecules? The answer is A. Temperature. How can I clean the grill of a fan? How would you do this? The answer is A. Use an old toothbrush and soap and water. Elvira Wayans was a writer on what Damon Wayans television show? The answer is B. My Wife and Kids. Which of the following beverages is brewed from the leaves of a plant? The answer is A. Tea. What type of waves radiate energy out from an earthquake's focus? The answer is B. Seismic. What was the name of the initial blueprint version of the 2004 movie The Passion of the Christ? The answer is D. The Passion. What country gave the Statue of Liberty to America? The answer is C. France. A guy orders a drag through Georgia for his son. What has he ordered? The answer is C. Cola with chocolate syrup. Recombinant alpha iduronidase is used for the treatment of which disease/syndrome? The answer is C. Hurler syndrome. A logo is seen and captions are shown on the screen. Trees and mulch are shown with a slight breeze. Several people are shown planting a tree. The people, what happens next? The answer is D. Are spreading mulch around the tree. What type of matter often sinks into cracks between rocks? The answer is A. Liquid. When did Edison begin research into incandescent lighting? The answer is A. 1878. How many boroughs did the city consist of when they were first established? The answer is A, 13. Why does the narrator love Wall-E so much? The answer is B, it reminds them of old Hollywood. In the horror classic Carrie, Carrie's mom thinks that Carrie got her first period because she was sinning. She sends her off to go pray. What part of the house does Carrie get sent to? The answer is D, the closet. In what year did Prince Harry graduate from Eton? The answer is A, 2005. In what year did Jan Hus found Charles University? The answer is B, 1348. In a gasoline-powered car, chemical energy from gasoline is transformed to make the car move. The motion of the car is what form of energy? The answer is D, mechanical energy. What may be my favorite type of music? The answer is A, rock. What year was it decided that if wolves and dogs were one species, then their scientific name is the name of the wild variety? The answer is C, 2003. The Sun is a medium-sized star and is expected to continue to perform nuclear fusion for 5 billion years. What is most likely to be the final stage of the Sun? The answer is D, white dwarf. In what year did Howard Kendall start his first stint managing Everton? The answer is A, 1990. Which part of a neuron contains the nucleus and most of the major organelles? The answer is B, cell body. Since which year has Tennessee's 1st congressional district voted overwhelmingly Republican?